Want to travel to Changsha? Use Go Changsha platform. 5 fun features to help you explore Changsha. Wander the youth together square 2. Save your youthful memories. Don old-time student uniforms 2. Step back into old classrooms. Dress in Song Dynasty robes 2. Walk amid riverside drama scenes. Drape yourself in Tang Dynasty charm when you visit Defu Pavilion. Travel through Changsha just needs a simple tap on the screen. For joyrides, take double-decker buses. Glide through Orange Isle. Aboard mini tourist trains. Cruise the river deck and embrace the river wind. Master Changsha's charms. Tap Go Changsha for your trip. Book Riverview hotels. Use the Go Changsha. Explore restaurants with it and grab photogenic delicacies. Overwhelmed by all the tasty food? It can sort all your orders. Fun Changsha cultural souvenirs. It will help you to choose. Use the platform. You can bring authentic Changsha flavors home. Want to visit Orange Isle, Moon Island, Art Museums, Hunan Museum, or Helong Sports Stadium? It helps you skip long queues and enjoy your trip. I never wait around to make reservations. Spot your favorite stars with binoculars and get ready to scream. Using Go Changsha to enjoy a worry-free journey and discover all charms of Changsha. Plan your Changsha trip on the Go Changsha mini program.